Guys, another quick video of the internals. So as you can see, this is the bit which you saw. That's over there is the bit of the extension which was knocked down and having to be rebuilt. So this wall is obviously going to go as well, and this wall is going to be obviously taken out by a few meters to create that extra space and all the way through the roof level. Just to quickly show you as well, they've had to take off all the joists and everything and all the floorboards, and now they are basically using that machine to flatten that whole work. Again, in terms of the so there'll be a DPC sheet that they're going to put through, then they're going to pour the concrete, then they're going to put the Celotex, and then they're going to obviously then put the floorboards. So this is exactly in that level it's going to go through. Sorry, screed, not floorboard, screed. So this is, and they're going to bring it back to, I think all of this is going to be about 30, all of this materials together is going to be increasing the floor by about 30 centimeters. And it's exactly happening in this room here as well. So you can see all the DPC level. I think there's some work going on right now. So exactly the same, what's going to happen there. So all the downstairs floor is all going to be concrete, and exactly the same thing is going to happen here. From the video we showed you last week, this also was all knocked down and taken back to the floor level. This is also going to be screeded, but also have the Celotex, DPC and all that, which I just talked to you about. So guys, hope you found that video useful. More videos to follow. Follow us on YouTube, social media handles, Instagram, LinkedIn, and check out our website, teamtitans.co.uk, for our next event, 11th of May, which is an auction special. Buy your tickets now, teamtitans.co.uk.